Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 6th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 4th day of February in the year 2025, our system has classified Microsoft as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.94. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, realizing a gain of 0.84%. This equates to an average return of 0.28% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a broad and horizontal trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the price breaks below the bottom trend line at $410.96, it would signal a strong sell and indicate a potential shift in the trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a potential change of approximately 0.182% over the coming 3 months, with returns possibly ranging from negative 0.99% to positive 9.60%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 3.01% over the next 12 months, with returns expected to fall between negative 0.359% and positive 17.87%. This suggests a price range of $414.33 to $490.12 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Microsoft stock after gaining approximately 0.612%. The Microsoft stock price increased by approximately 0.612% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 6th of February, 2025, rising from $413.29 to $415.82. It has now experienced gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 0.99%, reaching a low of $414.09 and a high of $418.20. The price has shown a mixed trend recently, with a loss of approximately 6.92% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 36,000 shares, totaling around 16 million shares traded, amounting to roughly $6.74 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early signal of potential changes in the following days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $468.35, while the lowest was $385.58. Currently, the price is 11.22% or $52.53 below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft stock is currently navigating a landscape filled with both significant challenges and opportunities as of February 6, 2025. The tech giant recently reported mixed quarterly results, which initially triggered a sell-off, prompting investors to reevaluate their positions. Despite facing pressure from lower-than-expected growth in its Azure cloud services, the resilience of Microsoft's artificial intelligence and cloud offerings, which achieved a revenue run rate of $13 billion, remains a strong indicator for long-term growth. On a more concerning note, an investigation is underway regarding potential violations related to user data on the Call of Duty website. This situation could present reputational risks for Microsoft, especially as the gaming segment faces increasing scrutiny over data privacy matters. Such investigations might lead to regulatory oversight and affect customer perception, potentially influencing stock performance in the short term. However, the ongoing expansion of Microsoft's data center capacity is essential. While current constraints may restrict immediate cloud growth, the rising demand for AI-driven solutions will bolster the company's efforts in this critical sector. Furthermore, as international markets, particularly in Africa, exhibit a growing interest in gaming, Microsoft has the potential to capitalize on this gaming boom, valued at $1.8 billion, by strategically focusing on mobile engagement. Investor sentiment could be swayed by analysts like Jim Cramer, who advocate for buying during market dips, potentially rekindling interest and supporting stock recovery. In the long run, Microsoft's focus on artificial intelligence and cloud technology aligns well with market trends and could position the company advantageously against its competitors. Overall, these developments paint a complex picture for Microsoft, with short-term pressures counterbalanced by promising long-term growth prospects. Analyst ratings. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have designated the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 3, 2025, and so far it has risen slightly over 1%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence short-term developments. The Microsoft stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. If there are upward corrections, resistance is expected at $417.83 and $429.34. A breakout above any of these levels would trigger buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $415.06. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support level is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.11 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.99%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.18%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This reflects a relatively normal PE ratio, commonly seen in companies with established track records or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $3.20. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $434.56. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $415.06. If this support level remains intact, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of January, 2025, Emma N. Walmsley conducted an insider purchase of 150,581 shares of restricted stock units. On the 31st of January, 2025, John W. Stanton conducted an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. On the 31st of January, 2025, Charles W. Scharf conducted an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. On the 31st of January, 2025, Carlos A. Rodriguez conducted an insider purchase of 255,987 shares of restricted stock units. On the 31st of January, 2025, Penny S. Pritzker conducted an insider purchase of 240,929 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 7.042. In total, insiders purchased 537,927 shares and sold 460,630 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $394.22, reflecting a decrease of 5.19%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 3 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft displays several negative indicators, which suggest it could be a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it may be wise to hold or accumulate shares at this time while monitoring further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 7th of February, we anticipate Microsoft to open at approximately 21.7 cents higher, starting at $416.04. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from everyone here at Stock Invest.